Welcome back, guys. As said in the last video, in this video we are going to discuss the split button. And before I start showing you how to add the split button, let me quickly show you what split button is. So I'm on my Word document, and in the ribbon here I'm going to show you. So basically, when I show to you this menu button, if you see, this is a menu button. When you click on it, a menu appears with many other controls. But if you see, if I take my cursor on this button, this is one object in itself, right? And if I click on this button, the menu will directly appear, and it's not like one thing will happen on the clicking the button and the other thing will happen when I click on this drop down. But in case of split button, so this is a menu button. So in case of split button, so let me show you. So these are split buttons. Okay. So basically, split button will combine functionality of button and a menu button. So that is a split button. So in split button, you have a button, default button. When you click this, some action will happen. But if you want more, a little different action in this context only, you can click on this drop down and the list will open. The menu list will open. So this is a split button. So a button and a drop down separately, and it will be visible to you when you move your cursor on this button. But in case of menu button, it's entirely one object. Okay. So this is the difference between a menu button and a split button. So let's quickly add a split button. So let me copy this piece of XML from here from my Word document, and let me quickly paste it here. Okay. And I will do the necessary adjustments. Again, as I said earlier, not compulsory, but this is how I prefer my codes to be. Okay. And then let me explain you what all things are there in this split button control. Okay, so now inside this split button control tags, you see we have a default button. So this is going to be the default button for this split button, and then right beside it, this is going to be the menu. So when you click on that drop down, this is going to be the menu which will appear. So let's quickly also let's remove the on action. We have already shown you on action thing for the buttons, and I just don't want to do it once again. Okay, or maybe, okay, only for the default button, let me leave it. So what action shall I, okay, split button, okay, just for this one. Okay, and I'm not going to add actions here, but I will have to ensure that the IDs are unique. So this is going to be split button, and then this is going to be split menu, and then let me copy this. This is going to be split menu button, and this is one, and this is going to be split. So I've ensured that the IDs are unique, and that's a very important. Otherwise, the XML parser will not be able to parse the document well and present it to you well. Okay, so I think this is ready now. Let's quickly go to the folder and convert our Excel back to a zip folder. Move, I have saved it, right? Yes. And I will move this custom UI folder in it. Let's change it back to XLSX and open it. Custom tab, you see. So did I make it, okay, so I made it large. So it's a large button. If I make it normal, it will be right here. So in the next video, I'll make that change so that you can get a better look. Okay, so now you see the split button. If you click this, something will happen. If you click this, the buttons will appear, and then when you click this, the next action will happen. Okay, so this is how it is done. And for this action, as I told you earlier, it is going to be same. So let me still show you quickly. Sub, what was the name? I will have to exactly copy the name. This control as iRibbon control, and let me just give a message box here. Clicked, okay. And now let's go back and click here. So this appeared, and when you go here, and then you can have on actions assigned to these buttons also. So this is it. This is about the split button. In the next video, let's continue watching for to learn more controls. Next video, we are going to add a checkbox, then combo box, drop down, and things like that. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, for again watching this. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.